How we doing, guys? Eventually back out. Lovely day. Look at that, man. And all up there. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I'm walking up. So, I'm going to do a hill camp. I've got a new tent. Not been out in Wales. Not been out in quite a while since January. So, should be a good one. Got a new tent, I'll show you that. Set it up. It's 6 o'clock, so I'll be able to get a move on. Sun's going down. Right, let's do it. Right, it's a bit windy, a bit choppy. I came from the loch. The loch is absolutely wild with wind. So I've come up here and I'm going to try and maybe perch myself, maybe somewhere up here behind the rock or something. The views are outstanding, the sun's still out. The views are absolutely wow. Sorry if you still hear the wind, it's still a bit windy. But anywho, what can we do? Beautiful. Windy. Far too windy, man. Whoa! Maybe bring it back when I've set up. Well, nice day, beautiful day. Just wild. My hands are starting to get cold. I need to get set up quick, get my dinner on. All set up, the wind has died down a wee bit. Look at that. Look at that for a view. And Lola's eating her dinner. That's Lola's dinner. I do feed her, by the way. Look at that for a view. So, I'm up the Arrochar Alps and I can't remember the name of the hill I'm on. I don't even know if there is a name. If it is, I'll put it up on the screen. I did plan to climb, it's called the Brack. But too late, the wind was crazy over that hill. I walked round that hill and over there and the wind was mental, man. But more I'll show you the setup. So my new tent, the Vango Starav 200. I needed a new tent. I'm going to start doing more hill camps and that. So inside, I'll show you inside. Basic setup. I've just got my Vango sleeping bag, my OEX 200, which I'm actually regretting bringing. I think it's going to get cold tonight. And I've got a 3/4 length Vango mat. And I've got my beers. Got some chops for my dinner. Got Lola a wee treat. And that's it. That is it. Simple. I'm a simple man. Oh, I've got a wee, what's it called? A finessler. Amazon, a cheap one off Amazon. I'm not one for buying expensive kit. I'm not a gearhead. I don't bother about gear. I don't mind about brands and stuff. So that's that one. I'll show you inside. You sit inside. That's it. So this is where I'll be sleeping. And as you can see, there's plenty of space. 2-man tent. And it's got these little doors. It's like you can bring that right down. Hold on. Or maybe not. Like that. And this actually opens up as well. There's a zip here. There is it. Hold on. So this actually opens right to the outside. So that you can, a little bit you can cook in the morning, a coffee. But it does seem like this is quite low, so I maybe wouldn't put a stove under that. Maybe on low heat. And it's got the exact same down the other side as well. Doesn't have 2 doors, only got 1. But I'm not bothered with that. Right. Beautiful. So I tried to get my drone up. Too windy. It was fighting the wind. So I brought it back down. So I'm gutted I can't get any drone footage. I'll check when I go home. If there is, I'll put a wee clip up. Walking up, I met a guy called Paul. He was cycling, he cycled from, I think it was Loch Goyle, like all the way around and back to Loch Goyle again, like right round. I think it was like, you know this peninsula, I don't know what this peninsula's called, but right round Ardgartan and then up over the valley again and back to Loch Goyle. So good on him. Nice to meet you, Paul. If you're watching, leave a wee comment in the video, buddy. Nice to meet you. Good sound doing the other guy. He's a bushcraft instructor, climbing instructor, just an outdoor instructor. He seemed a very knowledgeable guy, so nice meeting you, mate. I'm going to get my dinner on, enjoy a few beers, watch that view. So I'm cooking some water. Going to get some noodles on, some soba noodles. Got some soba. And once I put them into the pot, I'll put my frying pan on, and I've got some lamb chops. Some lamb chops. And that's the view. Let's open my beer. Crossing the Rubicon. Whoa. Ah. Oh, that's a nice beer. And we have a boil. So I'm going to just simmer that, hold on. We'll turn it off. So I'm going to put them in there. Right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the lid back on this. I'll set that aside, let the noodles steep. And I'll get my frying pan on. Oh, there, darling, sit there. Oh, it's sweetheart. No, sit. I don't think she's sure of the. Hold on, what's this? Ah, she doesn't like the wind off the tent. Oh, look. Oh, what's this? Hey, take it. Come on. Here. Not a good idea. Ah. Here, my noodles are done. Wow. Chops are on now. Look at the view. Look at that. Here, Lola. Beautiful. Right, there's the chops. The chops are ready. And so is my noodles. My noodles are ready, they've been sitting for a while. I put too much oil in the frying pan, far too much. Far too much. I can see why people just bring simple meals when up the hills, because cleaning the frying pans is... That's nice. Oh yeah. And then I just... wee bit of noodles. Spot on, by the way. Spot on. Sorry, you can't really see me in here because it's a bit crammed. I'm used to this tent malarkey. So I'm going to finish this and just chill out. I'll get a few more beers. I'll go outside if the wind calms down a wee bit. My hair is too flat because of this tent. I'll go outside. Hopefully it's a... Hopefully it's a... hopefully it's a calm night. I think the tent will get a good test tonight. Oh. Right, I'm not going back outside. I went outside there, try to get a few pictures with the camera. You know, high exposure and that. And the camera just kept falling. Oh man. I got a wee shot at my drone earlier and my drone just would not go up, the too windy. I'm going to open up another beer. I'm not bothered, I trust the tent. It feels sturdy. I went round and tightened all the guy lines. You can hear the wind, it is strong. What I'm going to do is I'll pack up a lot of stuff that I don't need, to make sure it's in the bag and I don't need to worry about it in the morning. So that all I've got left is just my mat, my sleeping bag, my wee pillow thing that I can pack away, and that's it, and I'm off. I'm going to try and get up early. If the wind doesn't settle, the wind will probably keep me up. But it's a good night. Other than the wind, it's a good night. I've got a few things I've downloaded on my phone I'm going to watch. Just chill out with a few beers and that's it. Nothing exciting. Lola's settled down now. She's starting to eat her chew now. She's eating her chew. If the wind gets crazy or if I bail during the night, I'll bring his back. But other than that, that's it. Good night. Monday night. Look at the morning, man. The moon. Oh, it's not windy. It's not windy. Oh, right. Gotta get back. Head up. Oh, just head home. Oh. That was a good night. enjoyed that. Except the wind. I wish the wind wasn't as bad. I would have got some drone footage and tried to get some drone footage. Wasn't happening. Was not happening. But this is the last time I record. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you comment. Sorry for the wind. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. That's me done.